spent a lot of time looking for the right option before choosing the BES X system. We visited multiple centers in our area, we did our research, we met with some of the other bigger companies. After meeting with Qubica and seeing the BES X system, we knew that we wanted to increase our open play, and we've traditionally been a league house, and we needed to bring in some more new, younger bowlers. And after seeing the games and the features and the Facebook Connect and the lane-to-lane chatter, it was a easy choice for us to go with BES X. People are definitely staying longer. And I think the biggest thing we've seen so far is, like I said, we would sell a lot of games by the game. 1 game, 2 games. Now families, especially 2 kids and a mom and a dad, they're buying an hour and coming back and getting a second hour, which is really increasing revenue for us, which was the whole purpose. And it's getting them to spend more money at our food and beverage locations. So U-Tunes is probably the most popular game we have so far. The best part about the U-Tunes is it's making bowling for people who typically don't really care. The wife that gets drugged to go bowling, that is just there to have a drink and relax, she's now engaged after every single frame because she wants to see what's happening. We've seen that people who aren't really interested in bowling, they'll stay longer and play because they want to see what U-Tune is going to come up next. We went with Qubica, but it was kind of a no-brainer. I mean, honestly, after sitting down and seeing some of the other systems, and then really seeing how involved this is and how forward-thinking the system is, it's brought a new energy. And obviously, coming from a very outdated system to having flat-screen TVs, and it just brought the whole vibe and the entire center up.